Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll help you how to fix no internet connection tab to retry. So here you can see when I am clicking on retry, so there is no response from TikTok. So here you can see TikTok give me again this error. So how can you fix it? So let's start without wasting any time. I'll tell you the procedure to fix it. So first of all, go back and open your settings, click on network and internet and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your device. So here you can see my Wi-Fi is proper connected. Then go back and open your Play Store and search here TikTok and make sure that your app is updated. So here you can see I have the option of update. So first of all you need to update it. So I am clicking on update. So here you can see my app is updating. So finally my update is successfully complete. So you need to click on open. So now we can see that our problem fixed or not. So wait just a second. So maybe my problem is not fixed. So here you can see I am facing again this problem. So after doing update, go back and open your settings and click on network and internet and click on network management and click on Wi-Fi because I am using Wi-Fi now. So after this scroll down, so here you can see TikTok. So you need to check it now, and after this go back, and now we are checking the TikTok app. So wait just a second. So here you can see, so now my TikTok app is fine. Hope you understand the procedure to set this. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.